Hey y'all, welcome back. My name's Les. If you're new here, let's talk about how you can join me as I show you how I turned my passion into profit using a really simple formula. And I know how you can do it too. Now, I'm not going to promise you results. This is all dependent upon how hard you work, but it's something that worked for me. And I certainly want to give you that information. So I want to make that disclaimer right away, let you know that I'm not a lawyer, not FTC agent, anything like that. And I can't promise you results, but I can tell you what's worked for me. Maybe you can adapt the strategy. So let's get into it, right? So making money doing what you love isn't just a dream for me, it's actually my reality. So after successfully transforming my passion into a profitable venture, I wanted to share the exact steps that helped me do it and how you can follow this path to create income doing what you love. So, one of the biggest challenges people face when trying to turn their passion into profit is fear of failure, fear of what others might think, fear of taking the leap into something that might not work out. And let's be real, fear is normal every day, right? Every successful person has faced it at some point in your journey, right? The important thing is what you do next. Pretty powerful stuff. Another common challenge is lack of knowledge. Not everybody's quite sure how to do the tech pieces, right? Or how to do the video pieces. Maybe you're great at what you do, but you have no idea how to market yourself, right? Your services, pricing, or even maybe build a website. That's okay. None of us know everything. Really, none of us know everything, y'all. Not even kidding. So, asking for help is the first step towards growth. And I struggled with that. Don't struggle like I did. Once I started asking for help, the whole ball game opened up for me. So don't let the lack of knowledge hold you back from taking action. Self doubt. I struggle with this one still, but there's mindset that goes with it, right? So self doubt is another hurdle that a lot of us face. Are we good enough? Talented enough? Worthy of success? It's totally normal to feel this way. Totally. The way you overcome these is the key, right? You have to focus on your strengths. Surround yourself with people who believe in your journey. Find like minded individuals, y'all. Not even kidding. I have built the most amazing friendships with people on the internet. I made a video one time about people who don't know you on the internet will support you faster than your own family, right? So then there's the pressure to conform. You might have friends and family who are like, get a real job. Okay, well, following your passion, maybe they're saying following your passion isn't worth the time. The truth is, the people who are the happiest and most fulfilled are those who are doing absolutely what they love. So let's talk about how to overcome these challenges, right? Let's talk about how to start making money doing what you love, because that's what we're here for, right? So here's a simple formula that worked for me. I identified my passion. What sets my soul on fire? What drives me? What makes me come alive, right? That's my starting point. That's exactly where I started. For me, it was the trucking industry, and my love of teaching trucking turned into my love of teaching social media management and social media skills on TikTok. Okay. Identify your strengths. Really sit down and think about what you're good at, y'all. What are you naturally affluent at, right? What do you naturally do well? And this is going to make you more likely to enjoy and succeed at what you're attempting to do, right? And this one is one I know people struggle with all the time, identifying your target audience. Who are the people most likely to benefit from your strength, to benefit from what you're doing? You know, what drives them, and how can you help them to turn your passion into profit, right? How are you going to serve them? It's always a service attitude. Like Zig Ziglar said, you can have everything you want in life as long as you help someone else get what they want first, right? So, and this leads into my last one. Like I said, How can you serve your audience? What problems can you solve for them? What value do you have to offer? So this formula isn't rocket science, but it does require soul searching and hard work. It worked for me. It can work for you. You're going to do this process over and over and over again because your audiences are going to change as you level up your business. So, for example, one of the strategies that skyrocketed my success was in using a content calendar to plan in advance. It kept me organized, consistent. It allowed me to deliver valuable content that resonates with my audience. Okay. I also use analytics to track my performance and adapt and adjust where needed. These steps helped me to build an engaged following, an engaged audience, and turn my passion into a full-time profitable business, y'all. And remember earlier I said mindset was a key? That's the real secret. You have to stop thinking like an amateur, please, and start thinking like a professional. Shift your focus from what can I get or is this going to make me a sale to what can I give? What can I help somebody with? That change in mindset is everything. And somebody I absolutely admire immensely in this space once said to me, if you chase the money will run. The second you stop chasing the money and just give value, it comes pouring in. Solid advice because it worked for me. So what about you? What's that turning point for you going to look like? When will you decide to take action and start making money from your passion? For me, it happened when I realized I was spending too much time on things that didn't excite me just to pay the bills. Now, don't get me wrong, I love truck driving, and I made good money, but it wasn't exciting anymore, right? So that's when I took control. So can you. Some of you know my story. The other part of that was I needed to get my house out of foreclosure. I didn't want to lose what I had worked so hard to gain. And I couldn't work more than 70 hours in a week, right? So something else had to set my passion to blazes. And that was social media marketing and social media management. So to sum it all up, I say all this to say, so to speak, making money doing what you love comes down to 4 steps. 4. Ready? Passion, strengths, audience, and service. Plus, you have to have the mindset shift from hobbyist to professional, and the courage to take action even when it's scary. If you treat it like a hobby, you're going to make hobby money. If you treat it like a job and a profession, you're going to make that kind of money. Not a guarantee, but that's usually how it works. So here's my challenge. You ready? I have a challenge for you. What's one step you can take today to start making money doing what you love? Drop me a comment below. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on turning your passion into profit and achieving personal and financial growth. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I look forward to the next one. Have a good day.